Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We always know that CapCut is more popular for all us, so it's important to know how to change language in CapCut for PC. Okay, now I show you how you can change your CapCut language. Okay, first first interface when we entered in CapCut. Here you show settings. Click here settings, then you show project, edit, performance and language. Go to language and here you see many language. Here you can select your language and use it, and after selection here you just save there, and after saves your language is changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my small channel.